In this video, we see how JENRES handles the creation of unit tests. Here we tell JENRES to use the JUnit5 library to create or modify the tests for the methods in the file path. To use assert as the assertion library and insert it into pom.xml if necessary. Let's trigger the housekeeping functionality again. Let's wait a few minutes and, by opening the pull request related to the tests, we see JENRES message where it has added all the steps it has taken to create the tests. So, it analyzed the file for which it had to write the tests, created the test for the class, etc. Let's go and see the status of the modified files. In addition to creating the test, it also added the assert library to the pom.xml file. This setup provides a straightforward example of using JUnit5 and assert.j to test that the method from class A executes without throwing exceptions and that the object itself is correctly instantiated. Try JENRES today.